Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by today. Going out to the garden. Lots of updates. Garden's coming along pretty well this year. Let's check it out. Lots and lots of tomatoes. As you can see, they're everywhere. Growing out of control, which is not a problem. My Russian, look at the size of the sucker. Massive. Massive. I need to come pick. Another beautiful one right there. Another beautiful one. Lots of tomatoes on the vines. These are all the Russians. Let's go over to the next row. Brandywine. Brandywines are looking real nice. Look at that one. Almost ready to pick. Got vines everywhere. Brandywine. Kind of blistering a little bit. This one needed picked a while ago. We can get that one off. Look at the size of this Brandywine right here. Bigger than my hand. Look at the size of that. Massive. Massive plant. Taller than I am. I'm 6'1", that one's going up another foot. Over here, Brandywines, but I've got some rotting over there I need to trim off. So this is what happens when you don't get out here for a week because of work. Yep. Been a long week at work. Haven't had a chance to get out here. So we'll have to come get these rotted off. Do a little trimming. But yeah, look at these vines. They all need tied up. They're going everywhere, but not a problem. Oh, here's that other Russian. Look at that beautiful tomato. Come along real nice. Let's go to the next row. More Russians. Look at these. Wow, these are massive. Needs picked. Got to pick them. These are all ready. What I might do is start trimming some of these because we're in the middle of August. There's no anything that's not this big is not going to ripen. Oh, got a rotted one down here. Still a lot of good tomato on that. I'm just going to have to trim off the rotted. But that sucker's a pound. Wow. Then my last row is the Castros. Not too impressed with these. Flavor's not as good as what I was hoping. These were supposed to be these were supposed to be as big as the Brandywines. But they turned out to be pretty small. Not as good tasting as what I was hoping. So I'm going to add this to my, probably not going to do again. Really pretty looking, but not what I was hoping for. I would have rather this row had been Brandywine or, geez, I didn't even get any cherry tomatoes. Yep. So, but look at all these. See, these are all going to ripen yet this year. Look at these. Beautiful. So what I might even do is pick these Castros, the ones that are nice and red, eat them. I don't know. There's some nice bundles here, but I'm going to start trimming these back because they're not going to ripen. And we still have probably good 2 months yet. So, like you see, here's a vine. There's no sense even trim that up because there's no, well, there's a little growth out here, but that's not going to do anything. So sadly, I'm seeing the end of the season already, thinking to start cutting back. But wow, these Russians are amazing. And I gave one to my parents the other day, and they loved them too. I actually gave them one of the plants earlier in the season, and theirs aren't coming along as good as these, but they haven't ripened yet, and they will ripen. But these Russians are up, yep, little. See the blossom end rot? I always get blossom end rot on some things, but then it kind of goes away. I've noticed that before. I don't panic when I see it. It's like the first group of tomatoes usually gets blossom end rot, and then it kind of goes away, and it might show itself again, but see, these are okay. It's very strange. Blossom end rot is very strange, at least in my garden. Well, that's my tomatoes. That's the tomato update. Let's look at this. Look at the size of this one again. That's just huge. That's huge. Love it. All right. Well, it's starting to get hot out here, and I'm starting to sweat already. All right, well, thanks for coming by on this garden tour. Stop back again real soon. We're going to look at my peppers out front in the pots. Those are coming along good too. Thanks for stopping by.